In this short tutorial, we will learn how you can change the YouTube channel name, YouTube channel art, and then YouTube channel profile picture. And so we will continue, and then you follow the each step and then watch till end, so you will learn. Before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. Okay friends, so as you can see here, the one of my friends channel is open on the screen, so I want to change the name. So I just click the customize channel. So we click the customize channel, it will redirect you in the layout page. So layout page, you can see the channel trailer, people who haven't subscribed you, and then now here you can see the branding, and then channel profile picture, then banner image, and then video watermark. So three things you can change here. If you want to change your profile picture, you click the change or remove, or if you want to change the banner, you click the change, and then watermark also like that. And then basic information you have to give the you can choose easily the channel name, and then your handle, and then your channel description. So I change here the channel name, for example Heather Angels TV, and then handle also I apply the same on the channel name. So I just I paste here and then take out the space, so I can get the same thing on the handle, and then description also I can use here. So I already add my details, so I click to publish. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new trips. Thank you.